So I'm going to show you how to get 5% off of your Chipotle orders pretty much forever when it comes to using Cash App. So I'm going to show you right here. We're directly on our Cash App account in real time, so you can follow along. If you don't have Cash App, link in the show notes down below will get you a free $5 for using our link. So here on the main page, we're going to go ahead and click this little card icon right over here. And this is where you get your free debit card with Cash App. And you do need the free debit card in order to go through this process. So if you don't have it, go ahead and order it. It'll get sent to you. And the nice thing is if you don't like physical cards, you can add it to your Apple Pay or your Google Wallet. Either way, you don't have to deal with the physical cards on hand. So once you order your card, you're going to see this new option setting over here that says Explore Offers. And from right over here, you can see all the different offers that Cash App has for you. And you can see that down here, you're going to have the one for Chipotle. If we tap over here, you're going to see you get 5% off each order at Chipotle. Now, there are some restrictions. It says expires in 23 days. I've seen this thing rotate multiple times over here. It does work only once per 7 days, and you can see a max discount of $5, but there is no minimum here for you. So anytime you go to Chipotle, you can get your 5% off. All you gotta do is click on Add Offer. It goes ahead and adds that onto your Cash App debit card. Now, I got more to teach you when it comes to using Cash App. So if you wanna learn how to add money onto your Cash App debit card, check out my video right over here to learn how to do just that.